Hi, I'm Pat and welcome back to Pat's Garage Online. Today we're going to look at the new rumors of a 600 horsepower BMW i8 replacement. As many of you know, the BMW i8 was due to end production in March 2020. But because production has temporarily ceased, a few hundred more i8s are still awaiting completion as of the date of this video. As soon as production restarts, those will roll off the assembly line and the i8 will transition from production car to a classic. Up until this point, all indications were that BMW would not replace the BMW i8. As auto manufacturers in Europe devote their attention toward electric vehicles due to EU regulations, producing a hybrid vehicle with an internal combustion engine seems to be taking a step in the wrong direction. In addition, the production i8 was complicated, and it actually cost BMW more money to produce the car than they took in sales. The car was truly ahead of its time, but it was not a moneymaker for the marque. However, over the past year we've seen rumors of an i8 replacement. BMW released a concept car labeled the BMW Vision M Next. This concept car has design accents that remind us of the BMW M1 and the i8. If we take a look at the quarter panel vents and the rear louvers, it screams M1. When the car was made public, many found this car to be interesting, but few people were on board with the visual aesthetics.
That's gotta be an old.
No, that's a brand. This just came out.
That looks so dated.
That's the new electric concept. It's basically an i8 replacement. Yeah.
So dated.
It's brand new.
Doesn't that look totally dated?
So let's fast forward to today. Car and Driver published an article labeled 25 Cars Worth Waiting For, and one of those cars is a BMW. At first glance, it looks like a blend between the production i8 and the Vision M Next. Even though the car doesn't have an official name, Car and Driver decided to call it the i8M. According to Car and Driver, the 25 car lineup that they featured is based on leaked product development plans from manufacturers. So this information is completely speculative. However, Car and Driver goes on to say that BMW is working on a follow-up to the plug-in hybrid i8 Halo car, which clearly has failed to meet the expectations of many consumers in the market for a true supercar. This i8M will have 600 horsepower and arrive in 2023 with a $160,000 price tag. In comparison, this starting price puts it on par with the production BMW i8 Roadster. Car and Driver stated that the drivetrain will be a combination of an inline turbocharged 4-cylinder gasoline internal combustion engine on the rear axle, combined with electric motors on both the front and rear axles. The electric battery is rumored to have a capacity that can provide 60 miles of pure EV power before it's empty, and the combined power output of 600 horsepower. If this is true, it'll compete with the proposed 2023 hybrid Chevrolet mid-engine Corvette Grand Sport, with its estimated 600 horsepower coming from an electric axle on the front and a 6.2-liter 16-valve LT2 Chevrolet mid-engine on the rear axle. Compared to the Corvette's all-metal design, a lightweight carbon fiber alternative with scissor doors sounds really appealing. With excellent power-to-weight ratio and probably a dual-clutch transmission, the i8M has the potential to truly be in supercar territory. However, this is pure speculation from Car and Driver. According to one insider, there was never a plan to produce an i8 successor. This includes the Vision M Next or anything like it. It was off the table. In contrast, another insider said that BMW intended on creating a new chassis for the i8 and planned on releasing it as an i8 replacement, but that the gas engine would be completely eliminated, making it a purely electric vehicle. This insider also said that we should expect incredible things from BMW in the next few years, but wouldn't say much more. Car Magazine, out of the UK, informed us that the BMW board voted against the Vision M Next, but that something wilder could be on the horizon. A two-seater based on the BMW Formula E race car. If I had to guess, this would look similar to a hypercar. One fact that we can avoid is that BMW sold its interest in a carbon fiber plant, which leads us all to believe the carbon chassis is possibly a thing of the past. But Car and Driver predicts that the carbon tub is definitely part of the i8M. Let's examine that and other aesthetics in the picture released by Car and Driver. Looking closely at the i8M, we can see that there is a carbon fiber visible section at the rear rocker panel, leading us to believe that this is going to be a carbon fiber cabin. Some other features compared to the production i8. The brake rotors appear to be steel and not carbon ceramic. Steel is just fine since we have electric motors helping slow down the car with regeneration. The interior's blue seatbelts and seatbelt guides are similar to the Pure Impulse World package on the production BMW i8. This car also appears to share the same pillars and side glass with the production car. The doors appear to be the type that would open just like the production i8, and the front bumper has cheeks that are similar to the i8. But outside of that, this appears to be a completely different car. The wheels appear to be 22 inches in diameter, but not very wide, resulting in good fuel economy. The side mirrors are small, but they likely contain cameras, and inside the vehicle will be panels, just like a test i8 that was seen driving on the road a few years ago online. The front grille is large, but the openings are small. That leads me to believe that this car doesn't have that many radiators compared to the production i8. That suggests that this may actually be an electric car. And check out that windshield, which is severely raked, with much more glass being used than the production car. Without a doubt, this car would definitely get as much attention as a production BMW i8. And as long as the manufacturer includes supercar level performance, many folks in the market for a supercar would jump at the opportunity to own one of these. This type of video is different for me, and I hope to use this same format to release new i8 replacement rumors when they surface. That wraps up today's video. If you appreciate content like this, please give me a big thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed, please click that subscribe button and ring the bell for notifications. Thanks for watching, and happy motoring.